out of my phone. I can't believe it's your name, I can't believe it. And I wish I could let it ring, but I can't pretend that I don't see it. And I don't believe.
Hey creators! Today, we're diving into one of the coolest tools for adding cinematic smoke to your shots. This tiny beast right here, the Lensgo Smoke Go. Whether you are shooting food, portraits or b-roll, this little gadget packs with a big punch. Let me show you how to set it up and avoid common mistakes.
Sometimes I think about you. You dance around in my dreams while I'm sleeping. And I think subconsciously, I wonder what we could be if you were here, and I don't believe it. Saying your name, I don't know what I'm thinking. Or should I just leave it? And I try to reason. Why would you text me out of the blue that you've been thinking of me? Oh, I thought you knew better than to just come back around. Oh, really should've known better than to go and give you my heart.
This is how you assemble the Lensgo Smoke Go. Step 1. Start by filling the tank with your fog machine fluid. Be careful not to be overfilled. Step 2. Connect the oil tank to the controller or battery unit and make sure that the device is fully charged for the best result. Step 3. Open the top air vent and attach the smoke tube on your choice. Step 4. Turn on the device, then double tap the circular power button to activate. For a continuous smoke stream, long press the button. Here's a quick rundown of the specs. The Lensgo Fog Machine is 30 watts, built-in 2500 mAh battery with 7.4 volts, up to 3 hours. Battery life for standby. Continuous working time per session is 3 minutes. Maximum continuous use up to 25 minutes per full charge. Total fog runtime per charge around 20 minutes. Fog liquid required. Standard fog machine fluid only. Here's how to troubleshoot if no smoke coming out. Number 1. The button issue. Make sure the power or smoke button isn't stuck or unresponsive. Number 2. Low battery. If the indicator light is red, your battery is too low. Make it fully charged and try again. Number 3. The oil tank connection. If the light turns green when the powered on, the oil tank may not be fully locked. Detach and retach and ensure the tank is firmly clicked in. If the green light still appears, check the metal contact pins between the unit and the tank. Make sure they are clean and not bent. Number 4. Smoke oil evaporation. If the unit have been used for a while, some oil may have evaporated. Remove the tank, drain a bit for a liquid from the button, wipe for excess oil, and shake gently and reassemble. Number 5. Top air vent closed. If smoke is weak or thin, make sure that number 2 air vent on the top of the tank is open, especially during longer use. Even for short uses, opening in the vent improves output. Low battery also reduces smoke power. Number 6. Oil spray issue. If you see fog fluid spraying instead of smoke, turn the tank upside down, gently shake out the excess from number 1 smoke outlet, then restart. After using, close the number 2 air vent to prevent air entering on the oil leakage. If not using for a while, store leftover fog oil back into the bottle to preserve both fluid and motor. This thing is seriously compact and powerful, perfect for an on-to-go creators. Whether you're into dramatic fashion shot or dreamy food visuals, the Lensgo Smoke Go brings cinematic edge to your work. If this video helped you, hit the like button, comment in your favorite smoke effects use, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative gears like this. See you in the next video. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year.